All right, well, we'll get started. And so, share screen, boom, shakalaka, boom, shakalaka. Okay. I assume everybody has I'm assuming everybody is at least working on slide 8 and 9 if they're not already done, because again, they should technically be already done. What slide is anybody on? What slide is everybody on? Put it in the chat. What slide is everybody on? And Bella Koopa, she is present. Okay. Where is the chat? There it is. All right, I finished 8 and 9. Perfect. I've done 8 and 9. Okay, where's everybody else, guys? Put them in the chat. Good, bad, or indifferent. Wondering where you're at. Eight, 9. 8, 9. Okay, good. So we're at least working on this, if not getting it completed. Very good. Now, let's go ahead and let's take a look at the practice test, because the practice test is due by Friday. Practice test. Okay, does anybody see any of these skills that you guys had trouble with, need help with, or would like to go through? Yes or no? Put it in the chat. No. Okay. Thank you, Damien. Thank you, Isaac. Thank you, Mia, Aaron. Okay. I do want to go through one more, because whereas I would hope squaring binomials, multiplying binomials, adding, subtracting, multiplying, those should really be pretty easy stuff, guys. Finding coefficients should be easy stuff. Standard form, remember standard form is highest power to lowest power. The biggest one that folks are going to have trouble with probably is this one, and it's actually worth quite a few points. So let's go through this one real quickly. The expression represents a what? Which one of these is the correct answer? Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. I assume you can see the problem that I'm talking. Yes, it is cubic, because the highest power is third. So we got cubic. How many terms? How many terms, not Bella? Ooh, it is 3 terms. I agree with you. Making it, by the way, a trinomial. Okay. Constant term. What is the constant term? Be careful on this one. -10, very good. The leading term, now this is the other thing kids mess up. One is a leading term, the other is the leading coefficient. What is the leading term? Leading term. Oh, by the way, -10 is the constant because there's no variable with it. It's constant. It doesn't change because it doesn't vary. All right, yeah. Now, this one is -x raised to the third. Now, we hit arrow over, and then we divide it by 6. There we go. Oh, no, I'm not ready yet. And the leading coefficient is what? Because this one's a little weird. What is the leading coefficient? Ooh, it's a good guess, Isaac, but it is not correct because the coefficient isn't going to include the variable. So since there's no number up top, what number really needs to be in the top, guys? Or what is the coefficient? Negative. There you go. 1/6. Now again, I like the 1/6, Aaron, but it's negative. That's the biggest thing kids forget on these is they mix up the term and the coefficient, and they forget negatives. Those are the biggest things that people forget on this one. All right, let's see if we got it right. Not shockingly, we did. Okay, so that's the only one that kids may have a little issue with. Is there anything else that is on this list that you think we ought to go through? If not, you are welcome to log out, get to work on your practice test, and then get to work on your real test because practice tests due Friday, but remember there is no live class on Friday or Thursday because I'm at a teacher's meeting. But I'm always available via email. Also, the test itself is due by Tuesday morning, 5 a.m. So make sure you do not wait because there will not be an extension on the test.